Oui, bonjour. Today, Maurice is not happy again. He has to clean the crap from the floor in the upstairs. As you observe, there is a lot of crap. It is higher than my shoe. Too much crap. Jonathan, he said before you clean the crap, clean the ceiling, and he's given me this. Look. You see? Look. He says, his girlfriend has given him this hoover to help. I don't think Jonathan has a girlfriend when he has a hoover like this. Maybe Maurice will get lucky, no? Oui. With Jonathan is an attractive gentleman. Maybe he make my heart pumpy. I cannot help what I like. My heart want what my heart want. And I like his hoover. So it's good. And with the hoover, he tells me, suck up the speeder. The speeder, oui. Okay. I mean, what do you want me to do with speeder? He say, take the hoover bag, burn, set on fire. I will not. I will let the speeder go in the field. There's plenty of space for all of us in this world. Okay. I will clean the speeder. I will clean the crap. Au revoir.